Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good, mashallah.
Insyaallah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Mashallah, Indonesia is a glorious and nice country.
Thank you, thank you.
You know Bangladesh?
I know.
Now say something about Bangladesh.
Let me think.
Okay, please think.
No. I don't.
You have no idea.
Yeah.
Okay, listen. I want to explain that. Bangladesh is a Muslim country. First of all, Bangladesh is a Muslim country. You know, Bangladesh is a Muslim country. Maximum people of Bangladesh are Muslim.
Yeah.
It has natural beauties. You know, we have two main and big festival in a year: Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Adha.
MashaAllah.
Yes.
Good.
And as a Bangladeshi, I want to say you know the longest sea beach in the world. Who is sea beach? Is the longest sea beach in the world? You know this name?
No.
In our country, Cox's Bazar is the most beautiful and longest sea beach in the world. You are invited in my country.
Okay.
In Bangladesh. Okay. Are you searching in Google? Okay.
How old are you?
My name. You want to know my name?
Yeah.
Hashibur Rahman.
Ashifur Rahman.
Yes.
Oh, MashaAllah.
Mashallah. Okay, listen. I have some question about Indonesian culture. Can you explain that? And can I ask that question? Okay, listen. What is the most beautiful part of Indonesia? Please say.
I'm not very good at English.
Oh, okay,
Sorry.
okay, no problem. I'm saying very normal English. Okay, no problem. Okay, listen. As a Bangladeshi, we have two main food: rice and fish are the main food of our Bangladesh. You know?
No, I know.
Okay. And now say, what is the main food of Indonesia? Rice. Food. Indonesia food.
Rice.
Rice.
Rendang.
You like fish and rice?
Yeah, I like fish. I like rice.
Okay, good, mashallah. Okay, mood. And then you can say answer that I will ask. What is the most beautiful part of Indonesia?
Beautiful.
Yes. Part of Indonesia.
What?
Okay, now I will clear that. Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, we have the longest sea beach, that is Cox's Bazar, and natural beauties. Okay, And now you say, what is the beauty of Indonesia?
Maybe Monas.
Okay,
Maybe
okay,
Monas from Indonesia.
okay. By the way, listen. What is the name of capital of Indonesia?
Capital from Indonesia.
Jakarta,
Jakarta. Yeah.
capital of Indonesia.
Oh yeah.
Jakarta is the main city of Indonesia.
Yeah.
In our Bangladesh, Dhaka is the main city of Bangladesh.
Oh,
Dhaka is a city of Bangladesh, big city and capital of Bangladesh.
Masya Allah.
And our Bangladesh, as a Bangladeshi, we are depend on agriculture. Agriculture means farming.
Yes.
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 Our economy depend on agriculture. Farming, as you know, farmer.
Farmer. I don't know.
You don't know farmer? Okay, no problem. Okay,
Sorry.
okay. I am writing. Please, see. I am writing. Maximum people of Bangladesh are farmer. See in your display.
Maximum people of Bangladesh are farmer. Mayoritas penduduk Bangladesh. Oh. Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Same person.
See now. See our go depend. Okay, see.
Ekonomi kita bergantung pada pertanian. Oh.
Oh, in your country, it's the same too. Okay, in your Indonesian economy also depend on agriculture.
Yeah.
Oh, good, mashallah.
Masya Allah.
As a Muslim, I am Muslim. You are Muslim. We are brother. We are bro.
Brother.
Yes. Muslim, bro.
Muslim bro.
Yes. Okay, Muslim.
Yeah, Muslim. Yeah. Good.
Oh, you still in school? Okay, I am very sorry. I can't understand. But you know, I am married. I have a son of 2 years.
Ya. Oh. Saya punya anak ya berusia 2 tahun.
2 years.
Ya. 2 years.
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yes. Okay. Okay, mashallah, brother. Tata, Allah Hafiz. I have some work. See you soon. Take care of you. And may Allah always protect you. May Allah always bless you. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Yeah.
Mashallah.
Bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.